Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you a super quick circular array in Blender. Make sure that there is no default way yet for making an array circular in Blender, but there is a quick trick that you can use to achieve this anyway. First, create your first object. So next, make sure that the pivot point is set to 3D cursor. As shown in our example, click on it, though should be set to 3D cursor as shown here. Make sure that 3D cursor and object don't overlap. The pivot point will be the point around which object is rotated. So with the object selected, press Shift D. So I want to move it on the Y-axis. Let's press Shift D. To duplicate. Then let's press R to rotate, then 30 degrees like this, and hit enter. It's gonna be making this object go in to rotate around and making array around the cursor at the center position of the cursor, because we set the orientation that way. Press Shift R to repeat this action. Shift R to repeat this action like this. Shift R is going to be repeating this action by 30 degrees, depending on how many duplicates you want of your object. In this case, 360 degrees divided by 30 yields. So we have 12 objects. To know the angle you need to rotate around, divide 360 by the number of objects you want in your array. For example, 360 over 12 equals 30 degrees. And that's it. I think this method is great and very fast to create this array of objects as shown in our example. See you in other tutorial of modeling. Thanks for watching.